Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. Now today we are going to be going over some top hair products that I would definitely recommend to you. Alright y'all, so you guys heard me correctly. I'm going to be going over all of my hair products, well not all of them, my favorite hair products that I would recommend to you guys. And this is in no particular order. We're just going to grab and talk about them. And we are going to be going over all of my hair products that are my favorites that I would recommend to you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. Again, this is in no particular order. We're just grabbing and showing. Alright, so the first one I am picking up is the Mish. This is their curl defining mousse. Now I do love this product. As you guys can see, it's almost empty. I hope they send me some more. This was a PR package. I just really like what it can do for your curls, but I mainly use mousse when I'm pairing it with like a rod or roller set, and this mousse just really works wonders. I really like it. I definitely would recommend it to you guys. I think it's just a smooth product, and I like the finishing result. It's not a hard cast, it's not too soft, it's not too firm. It's really just perfect. So I would recommend the Mish curl defining mousse if you guys are interested in using rods and rollers or anything that you would need a mousse for, even like flat twists or regular twists or anything. Mousse is really good. So Mish, they got you covered, friend. So this next one is also one of my favorite products to reach for. Like, I have to tell myself no, don't reach for that product, because you always reach for that product. Get something new. This is like my go-to holy grail, and it's the Crazy Sexy Curl Supercharged Honey All-in-One Setting Foam by The Dew. I said this before and I will say it again. If my house is on fire, I'm grabbing this product first, okay? I have like at least 200 products sitting here. This is the first one I'm grabbing. I absolutely love this. This is going to leave for me personally, and for my hair, it leaves a little bit of a harder or a firmer cast on my hair when I use it. It kind of mimics as like a gel a little bit, but I need it. And especially in the summer heat, like if I don't have a nice hard cast on my hair when I walk outside in this summer heat, it's over. My hair is going to start to get frizzy and poofy. And I know a lot of people say when they like do their hair, then they go outside in the humidity, like their curls just frizz up and it looks like a blowout or something. If you don't want that to happen, to prevent that from happening, you can use the Dew setting foam, and I promise you it will be magic. And I'll have everything linked below where you can get them from. Okay, so this is called Sky Organics Curl Care. This is their bouncy curl cream. Y'all, look at the back, how it says like their no list right there. Sky Organics is an all natural, all organic company. They have a lot of hair and skincare products. I just like this. It doesn't have the best smell in my opinion, so if you're somebody who can't get over how a product smells, then this might not be for you. But if you're more into, I don't care how it smells, I just want it to work, kind of like me, then this is the product for you. It's so creamy and it's all natural, it's all organic. It's going to work wonders for your hair. It really does help your hair grow. So if you're looking for something that just gives you a little bit of an extra edge up, this is the bouncy curl cream. Super creamy, super thick, works great, natural, vegan, organic, everything that you need is like in this bottle, so it's perfect. Go out and try it. All right, these next two I'm going to talk about together because they come from the same brand, and that is the Curl Days Glossy Shine Gel and Creamy Curl Styler. Y'all, they are all over the place. Like Curl Days, they showing out, honey. You can find them in like a lot of different stores now and also online. Curl Days is infused with cocoa oil. Cocoa oil is native to Hawaii, and a lot of Hawaiians have a lot of long hair, and the owner, Robin, actually went there on her honeymoon and was like asking the locals what they used to make their hair grow, and they said cocoa oil. So I've never heard of cocoa oil until Robin introduced me to it from her Curl Days line. OMG, y'all. Like, the Glossy Shine Gel and the Creamy Curl Styler, you have to use them together when you're doing like a wash and go. You will love it. It's so perfect, smells amazing, works great. There's no flakes, there's no cast. Like, it's just soft, bouncy, curly hair, and that's what the Curl Days products are going to give you. So I will actually have a discount code link below for these products for you. Highly would recommend. Okay, so these 3 products, I'm going to talk about them all together because they come from the same collection. This is the I think it's Adwa Beauty. This is their deep conditioning treatment, their leave-in, and also their oil. Adwa Beauty is one of my favorite hairlines. I just think that they have such high quality products. I think that they put a lot of time, thought, and effort into their products. You can like tell like they hired black chemists to run tests on their products to make sure that they are perfect. My favorite is probably this oil. Their oil is infused with like a mint. It has wintergreen, spearmint, and peppermint. Y'all, I love mint in my hair. I love the tingly sensation that my scalp feels. I just love how it opens up my pores. I love everything about mint. I like to drink it. I love mint chocolate chip ice cream, like everything mint. I love mint gum. I like mint tea, like everything mint. Like, just give it to me. I will inhale it. I love mint so much and what it does to your body. So anytime I see that there's mint in oils, like, I immediately gravitate towards them. So if you are somebody who likes to have their scalp feel like it's open, their pores, like that tingly sensation, I would recommend the oil. I would also get the leave-in because the leave-in is nice and thick and creamy. Love the leave-in. And the deep conditioner, baby, you just talk dirty to me now. These are some really good products, high quality. You can tell like a black chemist was in the lab whipping these ingredients up, and they did it right, honey. So I would also recommend the Adwa Beauty, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, Adwa Beauty products to you guys. I'll have these linked below. Go out and get them. Okay, so this next product, I actually found it in a herbal hair store right here in Philadelphia, where I'm from. Okay, so this is called Herbal Alternative Botanical Shampoo for Healthy Scalp. It's for all hair types and it will help balance your pH. So if you are somebody who has dandruff, flakes, it nourishes and soothes your dry scalp, helps with itchiness, flaky scalp. So yes, if you have any scalp issues, I would recommend this product. I'm going to try my best to find it online, but I did pick it up in stores at a herbal shop. And yes, I love it. It's like almost halfway empty. It's also very concentrated, so you just need to use a little bit. You want to make sure that you are targeting your scalp when you use this product. Don't really put it on your hair too much. Put it on your scalp, and then as you rinse, it's going to go down your hair. So it's pretty cool. Use this product often, and I'll have this link below. The next one that I have, I should have did these together because they're from the same line, but this one was hiding in the back. My bad, friend. This is the Dew again, their B-Girl collection, but this is their Supercharged Moisture Retention Condish. This is a pre-poo, leave-in, or rinse out. I always use this as a leave-in because it's way too good to rinse out, y'all. There's no way I'm rinsing this down the drain. It's way too good. It works really well. As you guys can see, I think the product's like right here. I am in need of more products, like seriously. I actually just did a video using the Dew. I think it was their mousse, and it went viral, so I'll have that tagged below if you guys want to see it. It went viral on Instagram and also on TikTok. Yes. And yeah, so the Dew is that girl, y'all. It's really that girl. Love them. They are a top tier, top 5. Definitely love this brand, and I will go out and try them, and they're black owned. All right, you guys are going to love this next product because I sure do. This is called the Miracle Scalp and Edge Treatment Gel by Belle. This product is like no other. So this is an edge gel. I do put this on my edges, or if I'm trying to like slick down my hair into like a ponytail or something, I'll use it with like a soft brush. I really like this product because even though it's an edge gel, it doesn't dry. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like it never dries. Like if I touch it, it moves, but if you don't touch it, it stays where it's at. It doesn't, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like some magic in a bottle or something. All the other gels that I have, they dry hard where you can like run your finger through it, and some of them may move, some of them are really stiff. If you just leave it alone, it won't move. It will stay right where it's at all day long. I am so serious. You guys really have to check this out. I personally like it for like slicking down my hair and laying my edges, but if you guys use this, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. This product doesn't move, but it also doesn't dry. It's so weird. It's like it looks shiny and wet all day long. It's crazy, and I would highly recommend it. I will have this link below for you guys. Again, it's called the Miracle Scalp and Edge Treatment Gel from Curly Belle. It's one of my favorite products from this brand. Y'all, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is called the Scalp Repair Exfoliating Scrub by Azalea. So I've been using this product for a few years now. This is a scrub. I like to put this on prior to shampooing, kind of like a pre-poo, and I put this all over my scalp. It smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells really good. Undescribable. So it says wet hair with warm water and begin sectioning off hair. Massage scrub onto scalp in a circular motion for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. So yes, I like to apply this. There's brown sugar is like the first ingredients, so that, and sweet almond oil and lemon, and you're like, y'all, it smells so good and it works really well too. I like to use this kind of like as a pre-poo or just like as a scalp treatment if I'm having like a really bad dandruff outbreak, which sometimes I do because I use so many different products. Let's face it, I feel like a lot of hair influencers have scalp issues because we're using so many different products on our hair. That's just the reality of what it is. But yes, I do like to use this product. It lifts all that dirt, grime, all that dandruff. If I'm having like dry patchiness areas, it'll go ahead and rehydrate it with their oils. It'll get, oh my god, the scrub. Just go out and get this though. It's litty. The next one is a new product that I've been recently using, and this is from Design Essentials Natural Hair. It's their African Shea Growth Collection Braid and Twist Out Strengthening Cream. So this product works really well for me. I prefer to use this when my hair is wet rather than when it's dry. I don't know, it just does something when your hair is wet. I just feel like it absorbs a little bit better in your hair, and it works really well. I love the consistency of it also. It's like very oozy. I really do like this, y'all. Love the consistency. I love what it does to your hair. I personally like to use this on wet hair rather than on dry, and like it says, it's a braid and twist out cream, so go ahead and try it out. This is what it looks like. They have an entire collection of African Shea. There's Shea powder in here, and that just like works wonders for your natural hair. They actually go to Chad, Africa to source their ingredients, so definitely check them out, and every time that you make a purchase, they actually donate back to Chad, Africa. So yeah, go support them so they can keep supporting other people. Okay, next is the High Porosity Moisture Replenish Mask with baobab and aloe vera, and this is from Shea Moisture. Wow, y'all, if you guys have high porosity hair like I do, I have high to normal porosity hair. Some parts of my hair can take moisture and hold it in very well, and then other parts of my hair, my cuticles are open, meaning that moisture gets in but it leaves just as quickly as it comes. If you need a product to penetrate past the first layer into that second layer, which I believe is the cortex, and that's where the ultimate hydration comes in at, then I would pick up the High Porosity Moisture Replenish Mask. It's a lovely, love Shea Moisture, love what it can do for my hair. All right, so next I have the Be Defined Curl Defining Gel, and this is from the Ultimate Styling Collection from Curls. Y'all can see the bottle is all tore up. Love this stuff. I hate when I show you guys products and they're like hairs on it, and it's kind of gross. But yes, I love this. This makes a really good wash and go. They have like 3 or 4 different kinds of gel in in this collection. This one is the medium hold, which works fine for me. It doesn't have like a light hold, it doesn't have like a hard cast or a hard hold. It definitely gives you like medium hair. It's flowy, it blows in the wind, it's beautiful, it's hydrated, and it works really well for me. I like this product. I would definitely recommend it. I like the Curls products in general, and I didn't know that Curls has been around since like 2001, so they've been in the game for a long time, and I'm really surprised because like I thought they came around in like 2010, 2015, but no, honey. Okay, so here are the next two I'm going to talk about together because they pretty much do the same thing. This is the Moringa and Tea Tree Oil from Nerfiti's Garden, and also the Scalp and Hair Treatment from Atara. Both of these have like a strong minty feel to them. You can see they're kind of old and starting to peel. I think I like this one a little bit better just because of the packaging and all the ingredients that's listed on here, and it has a very strong like minty, again, sensation and oil and smell to it. Both of them do. They pretty much do the same thing. I just think that this one has a little bit more oils and healthy ingredients in there, so I like both of them. Both of them are great. Again, this is Atari and Nerfiti's Garden. They have like that minty sensation. If that's something that you guys are interested in, just like me, then you guys would love these oils, and I'll have those linked below as well. Okay, so this is the As I Am Restore and Repair Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water. I was using this when I was on vacation. I had my braids in, and I would just spray these to kind of refresh my braids, refresh my hair. I would like rinse all that chlorine out of my hair, and then I would refresh with this. So this worked really well. There's not really a strong smell to it either, but I like it. I'm curious to know how they mix the oil and water together, but I really do like this product. It works great on vacation. I think there's also obviously a bigger version to it as well. I believe I got this for free at Curlfest. Been using it ever since, honey. Okay, so this is called the Form and Hold Wax from Asa Naturals, and this is for natural hair. I like this product. I had it for a while now, but I really like how it holds your hair. I don't know, it don't move, honey. This is one of those things that like it really doesn't move, and it's super shiny. So if you guys want to try it, it says 5-in-1 oils, smooth and flexible hold, which I believe it has. It says great for twists, locks, and braids. I guess like when you're smoothing them down at your root, like that's what it's probably talking about, because you wouldn't want to put this on your actual hair. It's gonna be way too hard. You only want to apply this to like your edges or like your scalp when you're doing like braids or whatever. But yeah, this is it right here. I really do like that. All right, this is the last product that I'm going to talk to you guys about today. This is what I've been using for years. This is my go-to when I want to lay my edges. This will last me like 2 days, and I don't have to touch it up at all, and I can sleep without a scarf on and we're still fine. This is the Got to Be Glue Ultra Glued Indestructible Styling Gel for Screaming Hold. And that screaming hold is real. Got to be, love it. This is something that you only have to apply once, and it lasts for like 2 or 3 days without having to be touched up, especially if you take care of your hair, go to sleep with a bonnet on, all that jazz. But even there's nights that I don't sleep with a bonnet on because I'll forget, and I'll wake up and it's like, ooh, edges is laid, honey, still. So that Got to Be glue is gonna be your best friend. I just picked up the spray. I haven't yet used it yet, so I'll let you guys know. I see a lot of people using this. I haven't had a hairstyle where I had to use this, so I've been reaching for the Got to Be Glue Invincible Hold or Indestructible Hold. So that's everything, y'all. Those are, I didn't want to like, I have more. I have a lot more, but I will just keep it cute and sweet and short today, and then next go round I'll bring out some more products that I absolutely love and that I want to recommend to you guys. So hopefully you enjoyed all of the products that I talked to you about today. These products are going to be so good, so luscious, so awesome for your hair. I would highly recommend any one of them. I'm just like a natural hair girly. Like, give me the natural products. You can keep the chemicals, you can keep the heat. I'm not really a wig and weave girl either. I've actually never had a weave surprisingly, like a lace front or like the stuff that you have to glue down. I have no idea how to do any of that stuff. It would be nice to learn, just like have a different skill, but right now I'm just like in my natural hair phase, in my natural hair glow up, and I want to take you guys along with me on the journey. So if you are on your natural hair journey and are interested in learning about new products, new techniques, new hair tools, then make sure you guys give me a follow. My name is Aleia, and I show you guys how to do the best natural hairstyles and also the best recommendations for your natural hair. Make sure you guys give me a follow and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, I am gonna let you guys go. My name is Aleia. This is As Always Aleia, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you on the next one. Deuces.